Hi, I'm Brian Sellum with the agency, and I am delighted to show you through a home that embodies both style and comfort on picturesque Greenwood Ave in the coveted neighborhood of Mar Vista. Mature and lush trees ensure your privacy as you open the gate into your grassy front yard. Upon entry, you'll be struck by the natural light filtering throughout. A lovely open living area welcomes you in an ample room for many a movie night. Off this first living area is a spacious office or study, ideal for working from home. 2 of the 4 bedrooms in this home are separated by a beautiful up-to-date bathroom. Both rooms are impeccably maintained and boast ample closet space. The immaculate kitchen is the envy of even the most discernible chef, with oversized island, elegant tiled backsplash, KitchenAid appliances, and seemingly endless capacity for experimenting with your most adventurous recipes. Savor your creations in the dining area, or host guests in your second living area, defined by the striking white brick fireplace. The master bedroom is light and bright. It features a walk-in closet, dual sinks, and is complemented by stylish finishes throughout. Bask in the light, nearby ocean breeze from the privacy of your large backyard. Dine al fresco, enjoy the morning coffee, or simply relax in the California sunshine. The choice is yours. A large garage provides potential to create an ADU or simply for storage and parking. Rest assured, you're spoiled for choice in how to spend your day on Greenwood Avenue. This is truly a stellar opportunity to own such a beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom haven. I'm Brian Sellum. Along with my team, I look forward to taking you through 3468 Greenwood Ave in Mar Vista.